If you've ever struggled with cooking outdoors, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Gas One GS3400P Dual Fuel Stove. Let's kick things off with the Gas One GS3400P Dual Fuel Stove. Priced at $27.52, this compact stove caught my eye with its dual fuel capability. If you want versatility for your outdoor cooking adventures, this is worth a serious look. What makes the GS3400P stand out is its ability to use both butane and propane. This means you can easily switch fuel types based on what you have available, which is a game changer for flexible camping trips. It also boasts an automatic piezoelectric ignition, so you won't need to fumble around with matches or lighters, making lighting it a breeze. With a weight of only 3.1 pounds and dimensions of 13.5 by 11 inches, it's easy to pack along on any trip. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're out camping, the last thing you want is to deal with complicated setups. With this stove, you can focus on cooking instead of struggling to get a flame going. Plus, it has built-in safety features like a pressure sensor that ejects the fuel canister if it detects irregular pressure, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Now, some people complained about the need to buy fuel separately since it doesn't come with canisters. Here's the thing though, if you're going camping, you likely have a fuel source already or can easily pick one up. For me, it's not a deal breaker, especially considering how reliable and easy to use this stove is. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss camping stove that can handle different fuel types. Skip this one if you're looking for something with multiple burners or extensive features. At this price, it offers great value for those looking to cook outdoors without headaches. Now, if the GS3400P's single burner option concerns you, the next one takes a different approach with more cooking power and versatility. Product number 2. Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner. The Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner retailing at $27.77. This one caught my attention because of its high output and solid build quality. If you want something that delivers serious cooking power outdoors, keep listening. This burner is designed for those who love to cook outdoors, featuring a powerful 60,000 BTUs output. That means you can boil water or cook meals faster than traditional stoves, which is great during those long camping trips. It also comes with heat protection features, including a top guard to prevent oil splashes and a bottom shield to protect it from heat damage. We all know how messy outdoor cooking can get, so this is a huge plus. The heavy-duty metal construction means it's durable enough for repeated use, whether you're tailgating or cooking up a feast in your backyard. Here's why this matters for you. It ensures that your stove can handle whatever you throw at it, making it a reliable choice for any outdoor activity. However, some users have noted that it can be a bit bulky to carry around. Now, I get that it's not the lightest option out there, but if you're setting up for a big cookout or a camping event, that weight may not be a major issue. It might be a deal breaker for those who prioritize portability, but for serious cooking, it's worth it. This stove is perfect for you if you need a powerful burner that can handle big meals. Skip this one if you're a solo camper looking for something lightweight. Considering the performance, it's a solid value for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact 2-burner experience. Product number 3 is the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove, priced at $95.99. What caught my attention here is its dual burner setup, which allows you to cook multiple dishes at once. If you want to prepare full meals without waiting around, this is worth considering. This stove delivers a powerful 22,000 BTUs of cooking power, and with 2 adjustable burners, you can easily control the heat for each dish. The included wind guards are a thoughtful addition, shielding your flames from gusty outdoor conditions, which is often a challenge while camping. With a weight of 5 pounds and dimensions that can fit standard pots, it's still portable enough for most camping setups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're cooking outdoors, having the ability to use 2 burners means you can whip up a breakfast of eggs and bacon while simultaneously boiling water for coffee. This can save you so much time, especially during those busy mornings at the campsite. However, I did find some complaints about the need for a propane cylinder that's sold separately. Here's the thing though, many campers are already accustomed to bringing their own propane, so this may not be a huge inconvenience. Plus, considering the functionality and the ease of use, I think it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you often camp in groups and need to prepare meals for multiple people. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact stove for solo camping. You're getting great functionality for the price here. Now, if you liked the idea of multiple burners but want something even lighter, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, the Gas One Portable Butane Camping Stove. Retailing at only $22.52, I was impressed by its compact design and ease of use. If you want something lightweight and simple for quick meals, this could be a great option. This stove operates at a maximum output of 7,650 BTUs, which is efficient for boiling water quickly and cooking easy meals. It's extremely portable at just 3.1 pounds and comes with a carrying case, making it super convenient for camping trips or tailgating. The automatic ignition means no matches are required, and its safety features ensure that it operates reliably. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a hassle-free cooking experience while outdoors, this stove allows you to set up and get cooking in no time. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal choice for solo backpackers or those who prefer minimal gear. Some users have pointed out that the butane canisters can be tricky to find in some areas. Now, while that's a valid concern, I found that they're generally available at most outdoor retailers, so it shouldn't be a deal breaker for casual campers. Just plan ahead and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and straightforward stove that you can easily carry around. Skip this one if you need a high-output burner for larger cooking tasks. Given its price and portability, it's a great value for the casual camper. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact for serious backpacking, let's check out the last one on our list. Product number 5, Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking Stove. Priced at $39.95. What really impressed me was its ultra-compact and efficient design, perfect for backpackers. If you want a lightweight stove that doesn't compromise on performance, stick around. This stove's heat exchange technology minimizes wind impact and reduces boiling times by 30% compared to traditional stoves. Weighing just 18 ounces, it's designed to fit inside its own cooking pot, making it super easy to carry. Plus, with a built-in ignition system, you can get cooking almost instantly, no matches needed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're out on long hikes, every ounce counts. This stove is designed to be as light as possible while still providing reliable performance, making it ideal for those serious about backpacking. However, some users mentioned the lack of a fuel canister in the set. Here's the thing, it's compatible with most canisters, although not with Coleman ones, so just double check before you go. It's a minor inconvenience for the performance you'll get. This is perfect for you if you're an avid backpacker looking to save weight without sacrificing on cooking ability. Skip this one if you're planning to cook for a group or need more burner space. It's an excellent value for the performance it offers to solo adventurers. To wrap things up, we discussed a range of camping stoves, from the versatile Gas One GS3400P to the compact Fire Maple Fixed Star 1. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Coleman Triton 2-burner stove because it balances power and usability for group settings. I'd recommend avoiding the Gas One portable butane stove if you're looking for high output, as it might not meet your cooking needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.